Guru Nation, welcome back to another episode. Really quick one I got here. Really easy. Anybody can do it. 949-415-6256. You can text me, I'll answer, and I might do a video. So today's question is clinical research a good career? The answer is yes. And that's the end of the video. I'm just kidding. Of course you want more. You want to hear more. You're not clicking on this just for that. Plus, the algorithm wouldn't reward me just for that answer. So here's why it's yes. Okay. This is a 2021 world. Right now it's 2021. Hi, everyone in the future. I hope we made it out of the other side like pretty good. Hopefully we did. Clinical research is an attractive career because it's in a highly sought after industry, a highly lucrative industry, and an industry with a lot of demand and relatively short supply of qualified staff, and it has all the macros going for it. What do I mean by macro? Well, as you've seen, social media, so basically news or media and tech merged over the last decade. You can't even tell the difference anymore between media and tech. They're the same. Social media, the convergence has occurred. Same thing in the financial industry. You have financial institutions, you have tech. Those things merged. You can't even tell the difference really anymore. We're about to get into that same area in medicine, where healthcare and tech are merging. So that's going to open up a whole lot of opportunities for people out there. That's going to allow sponsors to create more trials. There's a lot of other things going on too besides that. Obviously, I think we've entered into a new era of vaccines. I think the mRNA vaccine, that's a paradigm shift. It's the COVID-19 vaccine. mRNA is the first time it's ever been used. That's a paradigm shift. So they're going to be able to do studies off of that platform. We also can talk about CRISPR and gene therapy, gene editing, as well as diagnostics. It's getting much more customized. It's getting much more individually tailored for individuals, or at least very small subsets of individuals. And then you've got the whole omics thing, which genomics is part of it. Microbiome research is part of it. All these things sort of converging and are forcing sponsors to have to do studies to get a lot of these things that they're working on to get them approved. And go watch the 5-hour video that I did in Comprehensive Guide to Clinical Research, or read the book of the same name, The Comprehensive Guide to Clinical Research, and you'll see exactly how long it takes to get a drug from an idea to marketplace. And then you got a bunch of other stuff too, a very aging, at least in the Western world, aging population. So that's, but at the same time living longer. So that's going to open up the need for more Alzheimer's research, better cancer research. We got immunotherapy. We've got epigenetics coming out next after all this stuff. So all those things combining to make clinical research a necessity going forward, and to make the supply of what we already have, supply of research clinics, supply of CRAs, supply of CRCs, most importantly, supply of patients, very much in demand and a very short supply. Throw in the diversity issue that's been going on, where the FDA says it's no longer acceptable to not have a diverse patient population in your clinical studies. So that's going to cause a need for more sites, for more community-based research, for more real clinicians, practicing clinicians to do research. So this is, I think we're in the beginning of a boom phase. And if you ask me, is clinical research a good career? Obviously I said yes, and we could have ended it there. But there's a lot to unpack. And when you start looking at the career trajectory of somebody who, like the typical person who gets in, it's usually at the site level so the research clinic level, or at a CRO level, and then they work their way up to whatever their education allows. So obviously, if you're a doctor, you're not going to start as a coordinator or as a research assistant. You're going to start most likely as a sub investigator if you're a licensed physician in the United States or whatever country you're in. If you're a foreign trained doctor, I know a lot of them that are having problems in the United States getting hired. I mean, we're talking about they have to be medical assistants. So clinical research provides a tremendous opportunity for foreign trained physicians in the form of being clinical research coordinators, and then usually followed by either CRA, project manager, or some other role at a sponsor, CRO, or even site level, site director. So there's a lot of opportunities in research. There's a lot of career trajectories. If you want to know what kind of career paths are available or what kind of careers are available, period, just go on LinkedIn, just type in clinical research, click jobs, and you'll see all the different jobs that are currently at the moment, whenever you decide to do it, looking for positions to be filled. Right now in August 2021, it's booming. Like everybody's short staffed and in need to hire. So clinical research is a good career. There are three subsets, there are three main stakeholders in this industry. There are the research clinics, there are the CROs, and there are the sponsors. They are all in need of qualified staff. Uh, Finally, there's a lot. I said at the beginning, tech and clinical research is merging. Because of that, there's a whole lot of vendors in this space as well. EDC, IWRS, patient recruitment vendors, retention vendors, eSource, eReg, eEverything. They need qualified people too. So it's a fantastic career. No matter your background, I'll end this video on this. No matter your background, there is a place for you in clinical research. Whether it's marketing, whether it's social media, whether it's obviously clinical related things, whether it's auditing, whether it's financial stuff. I don't care what it is. There's a role for you somewhere in clinical research. Excellent career. Reach out to me if you need help or have more questions. I'll see what I can do. Take care. Bye bye. Good luck.